Welcome back here. We're going to be doing a quick little video here on the Armour detail supply wheel cleaner. Just use it on the other three wheels. I've used a little bit more than half the bottle. I have like a quarter of the bottle left, and so I'm going to just showcase this on this wheel here. It's not super dirty. I don't know if you guys can actually see this. It just has some dirt. I haven't washed the car in 2 weeks, so I'm going to go ahead and spray this on there. I was testing the iron remover on the front wheel. That's why you can see all this red stuff here. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray this on there. What you're going to notice with this trigger is it makes it an aerator type trigger. So you can see the product kind of foam up on the surface. And I'm not doing full pulls, I'm just doing like quarter pulls to get onto the wheel surface. And I will tell you that, so this does have the iron remover color changing technology in the product. It's pH neutral, and it's so it's not going to affect your wheel coating if you have one on there. It's safe on anodized chrome, painted, powder coated, and matte finishes. You kind of see if I'm missing anything here. So it has features specialty greasers, surfactants, and ferrous metal dissolvers to break down brake dust and other road grime. So it has color changing technology, which indicates that it is removing iron remover type, metal on there. And so that's pretty much it. So while that's doing its thing, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the tires. I just have a bucket of water in here, and you can see that my wheels are changing purple just by us talking here. And I do deep clean my wheels like once every 3 to 4 months. Even though they're coated. So just dump this back in here, get some of that off, and I'm going to spray some. I'm just using Adam's Tire and Rubber Cleaner. Okay, so I'll bring you in closer here to show you what the wheel cleaner is doing after I'm done with that swipe. So I'll just go ahead and bring you in closer. You can see how it's a mix of color of purple and black. It's because it does have the iron remover properties in there. So it's getting all up in the wheelbarrow, all up in here. And so it's giving me a deep clean. I'll put this back in my head while I'm cleaning this. In comparison to just using soap and water. Like I said, every so often I will deep clean my wheels. So let me just squeeze this brush out. This is just a wheel woolly. I will spray some wheel cleaner on here, and I'm just going to agitate the surface. So actually the iron remover has a stronger ability to have color changing. I would imagine that's the case because it's dedicated for that particular aspect of it. Let's get this brush out of here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray some wheel cleaner into this mitt. And we're just gonna go over the wheel surface, back, and I'm going to flip this over to this side, spray it. The reason I'm doing this is because I want a deep clean, and I'm just adding lubricity onto the mitt. Okay, so that's clean. Put this on here. And I have one more brush, which is my lug nut brush. I'm gonna just spray some product in here, get into the lugs, get into these hard to reach areas here. Scrape the caliper in there. And so I'm done at this point. And that's the way they tell you to use their wheel cleaner. So I'm just going to rinse this off. And you can see my coating is still intact, so I'm going to bring it in closer here. Get this hose out of the way. And just show you the surface of the wheel. It is nice and clean. Nothing's coming up on the surface, so it did clean the wheel, and it didn't affect the coating or the topper that's on the wheel. So that's the Armour Detail Supply wheel cleaner. If you guys are interested in trying this out, you know, by all means go ahead and reach out to actually just head to the website, purchase it, use thank you 10. It'll save you 10% on your order. You can pick some of that up, and while you're at it, pick up some of the iron remover, because this stuff works pretty good as well. They both stink, let's put it that way, but that's the iron part of the product. It just smells, but the wheel cleaner works good. Like I said, I'm almost through the bottle, and you know, I'll probably just go ahead and pick up another bottle whenever I'm in need of another wheel cleaner. Alright, so again, thanks for watching. I will catch you on the next one. Take care, guys.